living things is they have the such type of the motion, the locomotions, and they have the life process. That name is called as the living things. There is no such type of the motions, and they have the life process that is called as the non-living things. As the non-living things. Okay. In this previous class, we have studied the material they have in daily life. Okay. In your class, you have to do any work or any you have to such type of the helping work. Use it. They have the such type of the things. Okay. Uh, so the use of the properties is the main important of the things. One is the physical property and chemical property as there in this topic. So today discussed about the topic. The name is called the metals and నాన్ మెటల్స్. సార్ మీరు ఒకసారి దాని స్లైడ్ ఇవ్వండి సార్ ఒకటి టాపిక్ నేమ్.
సార్ కనబడుతుందా?
ఓకే సార్. Today our topic is discussed. The topic name was the metals and non-metals. Things are is made up of there are the various metals and non-metals. I am sitting on the floor. The floor is made up of the silica and cement. This is the mask. Mask is made up of the cotton. My shirt is the shirt is made up of the cotton. Okay, this is your textbook. Textbook is made up of the cellulose. The cellulose is come from the tree. Come to the tree. So everything is made up of such type of the material. In this material, as the metals and non-metals are there included. You can have introducing in this chapter, the first paragraph. You can take some of the pieces of the aluminium, silver, magnesium, and this type of the pieces was to have taken and you have to observe and this color and what you have to see is very shining or it has the hardness or softness. This is how the physical appearances. Sir, slide చూపించండి ఒకటి. Slide 2. Okay. Sir, first slide, second slide. Okay. Sir. So first we look at the picture. This is the gold. This is the there is three type of things is made up of gold. First is the necklace. Another one is the gold coins, and another one is the ornaments. So gold is the most precious metal. It is most valuable, and this type of ornaments and coins and the necklaces is made up of the gold. Next, sir.
సార్ కనబడుతుందా?
సార్ స్లైడ్ మార్చండి. స్లైడ్ మార్చండి.
థర్డ్ వన్ పెట్టాను సార్.
ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్. Okay. This is the copper metal. This is the look appearance as the reddish and brown color, and this is the shape is that is identified. The shape is the specifically and they have the shape of the volume. Okay. In your textbook, there are so many metals have the today, but somehow they have through the internet. I have put them and collect them and put in your Zoom classes. Somehow they and in your textbook you have the one column is there mentioned they have the table. The table was divided into the three columns, and the first column is the sample of the material, sample of the metals: iron, zinc, copper, sulfur, and magnesium and iodine. And second column, what we have looked at and what we have observed, the appearance of the shining or not. Another column was the color of the metal. Which color? Gray, yellow, brown, orange, reddish. These type of the colors are shown in your samples of this material. So table 1 has to pull up in this paragraph. What we have to identify and which is the color and what you have identified the shape of the metal. Okay. The metals and the non-metals have the physical properties. Physical properties mean what type of the color and what type of the shape and they have the hardness and softness. This is characteristic. This name is called as the physical properties. At the physical properties, sir, next slide marchandi.
సార్ కనబడుతుందా?
Next, sir. కనబడుతుంది. This is the copper metal. Copper metal, these things is the one is the wire, another one is the tube, copper tube, another one is the bracelet. The three are the made up of the copper. Next, sir.
సార్ పెట్టాను సార్.
Okay, iron. Iron is it is a very cheap and best material. Today, all appliances and home needs and they have the industrial methods and agricultures and cultivations are those tools who has to use us in farmers, in everybody. They have to the users the type of the things that is called made up of the iron. First is the iron rod, another one is the horse heel, another one is the axe. These three things is made up of the iron. Okay, next, sir.
సార్ పెట్టాను సార్.
Okay, aluminum. Aluminum is also one of the metal. There is home use and cooking for the use for the utensils. One is the door handle, another one is the cooking of the utensil of the pan, another one is the one of the ornament. These three items are made up of the aluminum. It is the aluminum with color was and white and it is very soft. Okay. Next, sir. This is only metals examples. Which thing is made up of this as the metals? Okay. Next to platinum. Platinum is the precious metal as equals to the higher than this the gold. So the coins and wristwatch and bracelet. These three things is made up of the platinum. Platinum is the very bright shiny color and it's gray color and it has the specific shape and it has the specific volume. Next, sir.
సార్
Sir,
పెట్టాను
slide
సార్.
okay, carbon. Carbon is the one of the today this is the non-metal. Non-metals they have the specific physical properties are there. It is color was look appearance is very dull, but carbon is the one of the modify into the carbon. The diamond is the very glorious and very precious metal, but carbon is the very lowest and cheapest metal. These three things is the one is the tire and then is the shoes, another one is the shoe polish or any synthetics. These three things is made up of the carbon. Okay, next one, sir.
సార్ పెట్టాను సార్.
Okay, chlorine. Chlorine is the one of the best example is the chlorine. This is the non-metal. The chlorine is to these the three things is the one of the bleaching powder and one of the purifying water. This is called the chlorination and one is the detergents. The three things is made up of the chlorine. Chlorine is the liquid. It is a pale yellow color. It is this is the state was as the liquid state as shown in the PowerPoint slide. Okay, next, sir. Okay, iodine. Iodine is the one of the non-metal examples. This is the crystallized. The crystallized means in your home needs, home cooking food, you have to the 1 or 2 teaspoons are used in the sodium chloride. This name was as the common salt. This is the crystallized. Just as look appearance was the color was is in white color. This chlorine was used so many as the chemicals and pesticides, and there are so many the perfumes also used in these things is made up of the iodine. Next, sir.
సార్ పెట్టాను సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ సార్ మార్చండి అయోడిన్ తర్వాత. ఓకే, సో these are all the metals and non-metals of the best examples of the one. Once again I am repeat you the some of the metals name was the copper, aluminum, silver, magnesium, tin, bronze, and these are all have the metals. Okay, రాగి, ఇనుము, ఇత్తడి, అల్యూమినియము, వెండి ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం ఏం చేస్తాము మెటల్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ గా మనం ఇక్కడ చెప్పుకుంటాం. Another one is the non-metals. Non-metals best examples is the sulfur, iodine, phosphorus. These are carbon. These are all the best examples for the non-metals. Today, why they have the discuss about the properties. Properties means any things or any object or substances. It has specifically the characteristic as provably what this is like this is the characteristic. So what is the useful of the characteristics to to become to made up of the such type of the things utilized 100% is workable. So properties and characteristics are useful to in our daily life. So today discuss about the properties, the physical properties is the discussed in this topic. And the first topic, the slide was to divided into the two columns as I mentioned in the top and the bottom metals. Another one is the non-metals. The first two types of metals are generally hard, non-metals are generally soft. Okay, metals is generally hard. The first metal is the gold, and second one is the platinum. These two metals are is the very hard material, but it is the most precious and valuable material. It is cost is very rich, so they cannot useful for the various type of the things only as it is the ornaments and was only how to be become made up of this type of this gold material, gold metals. And iron is the cheapest material and best material. So this type of the material is used to the agriculture fields and cultivations and industrializations and home needs and the various type of the things is made up of the iron. And another one is the aluminum. Aluminum is it is very cheapest material, and it is the conductivity of the heart is the showing as the best the best properties. So home needs is all is made up of the aluminum. Next, another one is the zinc and magnesium. Zinc and magnesium is one of the as the catenation and to substitutes is the chemical reactions best used for the used in this type of the magnesium and the sodium metals. Okay, so metals are generally hard, but non-metals are generally soft. Non-metals best examples to take carbon. So carbon is beated them they are to the brittles means as the pieces of there are immediately, but the color was not as a very shining and it is the look appearance are very dull. Okay, okay, non-metals are generally soft. Best example iodine, sulfur, and carbon. These non-metals are generally soft. Sir, next slide, sir.
Sir, pattern, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Metals have silver gray or golden yellowish color. Okay. Metals, all metals are any metals or non-metals have look and take and see observe it. They have such type of the color yellow, brown, white, red, bluish color, reddish brown. Here both combining have the mixed colors. Generally, there are two colors yellow and grayish color. These two colors have the metals. Okay, gold is the brightness of the yellow and silver is the gray color. Okay, non-metals have the many different colors. Non-metal is the best example as like the wood is the brownish color and some wood is the red color, and carbon is the generally as the red is the black color and dull color, and iodine is the crystallized is the white and blue purple color. Okay, non-metal, these are all have the metals have the specifically colors and non-metals have their the dull colors have there in the universe. This differentiation. Sir, next to slide, sir.
The pattern, sir.
Okay, sir. Unandi cheppan. So in your textbook mentioned table 1 as the divided into the three columns. First column was the sample of the iron, and zinc and copper, sulfur and magnesium. These are all they have the samples and to have to the appearance of the shining and not shining. Okay, if you have to observe which metal was the shining and which metal was not shining to mention in the second column, and at the same column on the opposite side of the color. In color was the first iron is the shining and silver gray, and another one is the zinc. Zinc is shining color, and another one is the blacksmith to opposite side of this color. And copper is the look appearance of very shining and red. It has the reddish brown color. And sulfur is the not shining and pale yellow color. Pale yellow color means it is yellow, but they cannot have the such type of the yellow color. So this is called as the pale yellow color. And aluminum is a shiny and it has a look appearance and the color was white color. And carbon is a dull and it has a black color. Magnesium white and it has to the solid state and it has to the look color was as a white color. Iodine is a crystallized and that color has a purple black. This around the table 1 is all your notebook, and you have to the put down in this type of this result, and you have to the write down universe. This is homework. Okay. Next slide, Martin sir.
Sir, pattern, sir.
Metals are solid at the room and temperature except mercury. So in this chapter, in the first paragraph, all the students, all collective skills, collective some of the samples, magnesium, iron, copper, zinc, sodium. This type of the samples first we have observed. In which state almost all the metals are in solid state have to available in our environment or in your surroundings. The metals are solid at the room temperature. Generally, room temperature was 30 to 35 degrees temperature. In this temperature, metals are all available and they have the state of the is called, that is the solid state. Okay. Now non-metals. Exemption mercury and bronze. Okay, these are all metals are all available in solid state. Exemption, these two metals, because the name was mercury and mercury and bromine. These two metals are not have to solid state. Mercury is the best example. This is the white and shining color, and it has the and available in the liquid state only. And non-metals, next differentiation, non-metals may be solid, liquids, and gaseous states. For example, you taken the such type of the iodine. Iodine is the state of the solid state, crystallized state. Then it has the room temperature, and then you have to the to increases of the highest heat, and then we have to the and liquid status. So non-metals may be have to the liquids and solids and gaseous states. In three states have the available in our surroundings. Next, sir.
Sir, pattern, sir.
Metals are sonorous musical instruments, violin and guitar. Non-metals are non-sonorous. Generally, metals are means sonorous. Sonorous means has produced something nice or sound. This property shows that thing or material. That name is called as the sonorous. ఏవైతే మనకు శబ్దాన్ని, సౌండ్ని, ధ్వనిని produce some noise or sound, it properties, that name is called as the sonorous. Metals are almost all sonorous, except at mercury, there is not as a sonorous metal. First, in this based example, there are two musical instruments are invented, violin and guitar. Okay. In the some metals are not as sonorous as the look appearance of in our environment, because they are oxidized in our environment. In our environment, there are both combined mixture of the air. In the air, there is the presence of the humidity. So both had the reaction with the in our environment, so they became the dull. So if you take one iron rod, put on your outside of there a few days ago, after you few days ago you look at this, observe, this is called reddish color rust means tupu pattada. Okay. So at the same time, you gently rubbed and you have the sandpaper or any files means akurai, just and rubbed, you can and observe what type of this color of the iron. Okay. Iron is the sonorous metal, and look is the very shining. Okay. Non-metals are non-sonorous. Non-metals are non-sonorous means you take one wood and put drawn on the hard floor, they cannot any produce noise or sound. Okay. ఒక చెక్క ముక్కను తీసుకొని మనము ఒక గట్టిగా ఉన్నటువంటి నేల మీద have dropped on the floor, but they cannot produce any noise or sound. In this same way, carbon, sulfur, and iodine, in these non-metals have to drop on the floor, and here they could not have the any noise and produce the sound. So this is called non-sonorous metals, and metals are only sonorous. Sir, next, sir. Metals are lustrous and non-metals are dull. Okay. Metals are all lustrous. Lustrous means shiny and brightness. This type of the properties name is called as a lustrous. For example, you take iron, copper, silver, magnesium, sodium, almost all metals are, you just like and look what you have observed that their metals are look like a lustrous. I have already discussed. I have told about in this previous line. If you put on this, put on there in your environment, iron rod, they have to the rust, they have there they oxidized in the environment, and you have to be rubbing gently the iron rod to the surface of the layer as to the rub with the sandpaper and fills. And next you have to observe that iron is the one of the shining color, shiny and white, shining color and white. It is the iron property, physical property. So in the same way, aluminum and magnesium, copper and silver, the metal surface is the very shiny and brightness. Non-metals are dull. Carbon and sulfur and iodine, these are all has the to see and observe the color has dull. Put to the mention has is the sulfur. This is the sulfur is there is no has the look appearance as the very not shining color. Sir, next sir. So good conductors of heat and electricity. Okay, metals are all metals are good conductors, both conductors of heat and electricity. What is meant by the conductor? Conductor means through passing the movement one place to another place. The movement of the passing through the one place to another means that name is called as the conduction. Conduction. What is the conduction of the some of the energy? The energy was mentioned in these two types: heat and electricity. The heat and electricity was passed one material one place to another place. That is the good conductors of heat and electricity. In your textbook, give one is the best example. That is the identify the simple circuit. Electricity is the best example. Sir, slide మార్చండి. ఇంకొక స్లైడ్ మార్చండి. ఇంకొక స్లైడ్ మార్చండి సార్.
సార్ అంతే సార్. సార్ అంతే సార్ స్లైడ్.
అంతే ఉన్నాయా? ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. In your textbook, activity 4 was mentioned one a simple circuit. The simple circuit has mentioned there are the electrical appearance, the electrical things have the mentioned. You have the simple circuit. In this simple circuit, one bulb and battery and two wires and which type of the have to the mention such type of the metal. In this have the activity battery and bulb both joined in two wires, and one is the and put on this nail to circuit the close them very nearly. In this in the paragraph to conduction of the bulb to attachment of the nail, when attachment of the nail, the bulb was glowiness because of the electricity was passing on the through the iron nail. In this same way, put on the substitutedly magnesium and sodium metal and copper metal, silver metal, aluminum metal put on the substituted in the and then the iron nail, when the immediately the bulb was very glowiness. They all of you look at this simple circuit. Simple circuit was there are okay, look at there. This is the activity 4. Another one, sir, next sir ముందుకు రండి.
సార్ ఇదేనా?
అదేలేండి సార్. In this paragraph, electricity, conductivity of the electricity and conductivity of the heat. Heat is also conduction. This is this property was shown as the iron. They have to passing one place to another place. They are passing the heat. Look at this picture. They are the activity. Some of the experiment activity. They put on the diagram and have the in this how the experiment. Okay. In this experiment, mentioned one table and a Bunsen burner or spirit lamp. Another one is iron rod and take some of the iron nails. Okay, all of you see in this figure. Okay, in the figure shows that is you take one iron rod and stitch with the iron nails with the help of the wax, and the iron rod was fixed one table corner, and iron rod and another end of the iron rod put off the Bunsen burner or spirit lamp. A few times after some times, iron nails was dropped on the floor one by one because the cause of the heat was to absorbing the iron rod at the nearest of the iron nail was dropped on the floor. After a few times ago, iron rod was to absorb the large quantity of heat. The wax was melting and iron nails was to the dropped on the floor. Okay, this is the two best. The activity 4 and activity 5 says that electric good conductors of the heat of elements and bad conductors of the heat are not electricity. Sir, next మార్చండి sir. Oh, okay, okay, thank you, sir. Metals are malleable and ductile. All metals are is very hard. I'm told that as the malleables. Malleable means it may be to convert into the changes to the thin sheets. The name is called as a malleable. This property name is called as a malleable. పలుచటి రేకులుగా thin layers and sheets it became to the convert into the changes. That name is called as a malleable. For suppose you take one iron coin and beat them and gently so many times they are to convert it into the same things of the layer, but they cannot break down. This property's name is called as the malleable. And another one is the ductile. Ductile means as the to drawn into the wire, it can changes into the long wire. That property's name is called as the ductile. For suppose in ductile is the best example in your home electrician was used only copper wire. Copper wire is made up of the this property. It is as the good conductivity of the good conduction of the electricity. Okay, ductile means as the it made can changes any drawn into the wire. And another one is the best example in your textbook one a good word as a good goldsmith take 2 grams or 2 milligrams of the gold it can make the 2 kilometers of a wire. Okay, this is the metals are the malleable and ductiles the property as shown in this paragraph. Non-metals are not, or non-metals are brittle. Brittle means they are splitted. There are so many pieces of their substances. Okay, you take one for carbon and beat them with a hammer. It is not have this, they cannot converted into any changes of the thin layers or any drawn to the wire. Only they have to the to pieces of to they are broke down into the many pieces. Just like in this same way, iodine and potassium and carbon, these are all the non-metals. They have the you take one hammer and beat them. Immediately there was to the two pieces of to the changes, but they cannot change converted into the any changes and they cannot any converted into the drawn into the wire. Next, sir.
సార్ 19 సార్ కనబడుతుందా?
కనబడుతుంది సార్. మార్చారా? ఓకే, ఓకే. In the textbook, one paragraph was given in the story of the early tools. Do you know early man how they were living and how they were survival in the forest? The early man was they cannot wear any dress and nearest animals and to hunting and to gathered food and they have the shelter on this in the caves. In the years, the man was used to the stones and woods is used to the hunting for purposes of the hunting and to use it for their escape of the things. But at this wood later, the wood hunting these animals, big bones are used to escape of the things. And some of the few centuries ago, and scientists were the invention so many metals are to the copper and iron. Copper is the first to invent this metal copper. So the age name is called as the copper age, iron age, bronze age. So these type of the ages have to be mentioned in your social studies. So these type of the metals are to came from the one by one to uses of the man was to uses for the daily life for made up of the things. Next one, able to have produced. in your textbook. This is the in your homework. Material sample that produce and material sample that not produce sound. Okay, table T is mentioned. Table one, the table first we take collected some samples and samples which type of the samples sodium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. These samples are dropped down on the floor one by one. What you have observed, which material was produced sound with the mentioned produce sound metal name, and you have to identify and produce sound or not produce sound. Sound is property sound for produce sound or not, yes or no. I had mentioned this in table 2. Another one is the table 3, observing the changes name of the sample. Okay, I have malleable means to convert into the change into the thin sheets, that is called malleable. And which metals are malleable property shows that, but which material do not shows the malleable. First to flattened, it is called iron. And next is the breaks converted into the powder. And which material to beat them with a hammer immediately, which material was to the as to converted into the powder is the crystallized iodine and potassium and sulfur. These materials break down with the hammer. There was immediately, they could not converted any changes of the sheets or any wire. There was only to the breakdown with the brittles, and they had immediately they have to break down to the some pieces and no changes. No changes. It is the one is the best example is the mercury to break down, and they could not provide any, they could not changes, and they could not do any as with any marble. So table 3 is mentioned in this table. Write down in your note. This is the in your homework. Another one is the table 4. Table 4 is the, yeah, table 4 is divided into the two columns. One is the one column name is the sample, and we have taken the copper, iron, zinc, sulfur, and magnesium and strontium. These are all the samples, and which material has to the converted into the wire, and which material convert into is not to drawn into the wire. Okay, iron is the to drawn into the wire, drawn to the wire. It can easily. Zinc is also convert into the wire. Yes, copper is convert into the wires, yes. Sulfur is not possibility. They break down with the hammer. They are immediately they are to the breakdown to the small pieces. So you mentioned in the table no. Aluminium is S and aluminum is S. This material was used to this metal has beat them with a hammer. There was converted into the changes into the thin sheets and have the any drawn into the whites also. Carbon was no, and carbon was to break down into, they cannot convert it into the changes, and they cannot convert it into the thin sheets. They are the carbon was break down, and they break down into small pieces. So to mention this is the column one is the no. Another one magnesium. Magnesium is the metal. This metal was to break down to converted into the changes of this